James Tweheyo memba w'akakiko ka Seki niwe birari umugenyi mukuru aha kutongoza za project zombechiro Amahe ahubwo kwetebekanisiza kuzaguza ikiro cya taresita. Project ekijukizo cya Rutaraaka wacumesere gout omwaka gwa 2025 niye hikirweho.
To this end, therefore, we constructed a monument where we went with the guest of honor and other invited guests, and we planted trees where the colonialist was killed by one of our own, Rutaraaka, the nationalist.
Rutaraaka urukoreka nkemanzi nagamba kuba niwe yacumesere gout banyuma yo kwanga obutware kandi ahiya mucumitire bakarunda hamabare kandi obwa hati ni hamanywa nka hamabare ga gout.
What is remaining is just the writing about what. You remember kuwa gambi Ibanda, but in Ibanda they would associate you with a killer, with killers, because you are the people who killed goat, and people would definitely fear you.
Amahe ga UPDF gombechereza projects zitari zimwe na zimwe ahubwo kwetebekanisa kuzaguza ikireki cyo mwakogu ekiri kuza kubahebero mukaga byo kwa kabiri.
Aware of our past, that we should not forget. We must know our past, because if we don't know where we are coming from, then it is going to be very difficult to tell where we are and where we are going.
In this regard, these taresita activities are to culminate in a big drive of confronting climate change. We should take advantage of all players in this struggle to assume a vanguard role in massive tree planting and mitigating environmental degradation.
Orugendo rukuzahura Uganda rukamara emyaka 5 omurutaro konka rukiriyo turukahwiri ekinyenda mu kishoboro cyerweje.
Omwaka ogwo kuzaguza kwemerera hamuramwa gukumanyirira abayihiro kuzahura ihanga kandi omukoro ogwo niguza kuba hakishayi kacheko muri Ibanda City.
Engaro z'omugenyi mukuru
Gashakwa Timothy Mushabe
chairperson z'abamagombo